Welcome to our first virtual handwriting lesson. So for this you will need either a whiteboard and a pen. You might want to draw some lines on your whiteboard if you're using a whiteboard, or paper and pencil. So I'm going to show you the join first of all, but let's remember our success criteria. We need to make sure that they are the correct size, so nothing too small, nothing too big. We want to make sure that our letters are formed properly. So we'd want a correct, for example, if we did an F, we wouldn't want it done incorrectly, okay? And we want to make sure that we are spacing our words. So for example, we wouldn't do them right together. We'd want to make sure that we've got at least a finger space in between. And we want to make sure they're joined properly. That's what the lesson is about. So for example, we did the F join a few weeks ago. And we want to make sure that they are sitting on the line. So if we had, we've got our A there, we wouldn't have it sitting, hanging there. Okay? And remember, we have our letters that are either tall letters or they have tails. So for example, Y has a tail, so it needs to go down the bottom, and a J goes up. So let's start with, I'll just show you the join that we're going to do today. So we're going to join a curly K and a kicking K. So for the curly K, we go round, and then when we join it to the K, we come down, back round, and kick. We'll show you that again. So for the K, go round, up, back down, up, round, and flick. Now remember, we need to have this space in between. I'm just going to show you that. That is what we call our little tent in between it, so that it separates the letter. Because if you go right next to each other, you can't quite see that it's a curly K and a kicking K. So make sure they've got that separation. So for your task, you can rewind that join as many times as you want and practice it. So practice your join first. Remember, you can do it in the air, you could do it in sand, in pasta, in sugar, whatever you like. And then you can practice either on your whiteboard or on some paper. So I'd like you to do a line of the join, or do 2 lines of the join, sorry, to practice it. You can then choose which ones are your favourite, which ones you think are the best. And then I'm going to give you some words. So we'll do rock. Just focus on the join that we're focusing on. Don't worry about the other letters. So rock, and I'm going to do clock. Now, as a challenge, you could, if you remember other joins we've learned, you could join other letters. I'd like you to choose one more word that has CK in it, so you can choose which one you want to do. So what's probably best, if you can, is to take a photo of your work and upload it, because obviously if you're drawing on OneNote, then it's not the same as using your actual hand for handwriting. Okay, enjoy!